So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the glow effect on Canva here inside the Canva mobile app. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and add an image and some text to this design to show you what the glow effect does to both. So I would go to the bottom left here to this purple circle, press on the purple circle right here, press on elements. I'm going to go ahead to where it says, and how about I search up a dog? I spelled dog wrong, D-O-G. I will search up dog for my image. So I'm going to go to where it says photos, press on see all. And how about I use this dog right here? These two little guys right here. How adorable. Now if I want to add some text to my document as well, go to the bottom left, go to where it says text right here and add some text to your design. So as you can tell now, I have an example of an image and some text. Now if you want to add the glow effect to an image, press on the image right here, go down below to where it says effects. So right in between replace and filters, I want you to press on effects right here. I want you to use none of these options right here. I want you to go to where it says effects right here and go to where it says shadows. Press on shadows right here. Then once you're here, I want you to press on glow. So as you can tell, if you press on it one more time, you're now brought to this screen where you can change the size of the glow. You can change the blur amount. You can change the angle if you want. You can change the distance. You can also change the color and intensity. So if you wanted to make the glow red, you can make the glow red and basically play around with it that way. If you want to add glow to text, it works pretty much the exact same way. Press on the text right here. Go down to the bottom area to where it says effects. So right in between spacing and animate, I want you to press on effects. I want you to press a whole bunch of different options here. There actually is not a glow effect here on text, but it also works for a shape as well. But you basically get the point. That is how you guys can use the glow effect here on Canva inside the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.